In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not typing. If you're experiencing this issue, don't worry. We'll go through these steps together to get everything back up and running smoothly. First, let's check if your keyboard is working correctly. Open Notepad on your computer. Once it's open, try typing some text. If you find that the text appears just fine, that's a good sign. It means your keyboard is functioning properly. You can then move on to the next step. This preliminary check is important because it helps us eliminate a hardware issue right from the start. Now, let's focus on Word itself. Open Microsoft Word and make sure you click inside the document where you want to type. Sometimes the cursor might be outside the text area. This can prevent typing. After clicking inside the document, try typing again. This might seem simple, but it's a common oversight that can easily be corrected. If you're still unable to type, we'll check for any interfering add-ins. Open Microsoft Word and click on File in the top left corner. From there, select Options. This will open a new window with various settings. Next, choose Add-ins from the list on the left. Add-ins can sometimes cause conflicts. Clicking Go next to COM add-ins will show you a list. Uncheck all the add-ins in this list. Once you've done that, click OK to confirm. Restart Word to ensure changes take effect. By disabling add-ins, we are narrowing down the potential causes of the issue. Often, unnecessary add-ins can interfere with Word's normal functionality. At this point, if the problem persists, it's time to update Microsoft Word. Open Word and click on File again. This time choose Account from the menu. You'll see Update options. Click on it and then select Update Now. This step ensures that your Word application is running the latest version. Keeping software up to date is crucial for resolving bugs and improving performance. Updates often include fixes for known issues, which is why it's always a good idea to have the latest version installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Microsoft Word not typing. Remember, each step is designed to eliminate potential causes, so it's important to follow them in order. If you find that typing is still not working, there might be a deeper issue at play that requires additional troubleshooting or even a reinstall of the software. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope these steps have helped you get back to typing in Microsoft Word. Remember, regular maintenance and updates can prevent many common issues. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out. Until next time, take care and happy typing.